A weekend trip.
Did you go to the beach last weekend?
Yes, I went with my family.
That sounds fun. How was it?
It was amazing. The weather was perfect.
I wanted to go, but I didn't have time.
Maybe next time we can go together.
Sure. Why not? That would be amazing.
A missed party.
Did you go to Sarah's party last night?
No, I didn't go. I wasn't feeling well.
That's too bad. It was really fun.
Who else went?
Almost everyone. You missed some great music.
I'll make sure to go next time.
Shopping plans.
Did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I went to the shopping centre.
Did you buy anything?
No, I didn't. Everything was too expensive.
That's disappointing. Maybe there will be sales soon.
I'll wait for better deals.
A visit to the doctor.
Did you go to the doctor on Monday?
Yes, I went in the morning.
What did they say?
They said it's nothing serious.
That's good to hear. I didn't think it was anything major.
Thanks for your concern.
A school trip.
Did you go on the school trip last week?
No, I didn't go. I had too much homework.
That's a shame. We went to a really cool museum.
I wish I could have joined you.
Maybe next time. It was worth it.
I'll make sure to go next time.
A work interview.
Did you go to your job interview yesterday?
Yes, I went in the afternoon.
How did it go?
It went well, but I'm still waiting for their response.
I'm sure you did great.
Thanks. I hope so too.
A concert.
Did you go to the concert last night?
Yes, I went with my brother.
Was it as good as everyone said?
It was amazing. I didn't want it to end.
I wish I had gone. I love that band.
They might have another concert soon.
A walk in the park.
Did you go for a walk in the park yesterday?
No, I didn't go. It started raining.
Oh, that's too bad. I went, but I got soaked.
At least you tried.
Yeah, but next time I'll check the forecast.
Smart idea.
A dinner plan.
Did you go out for dinner on Friday?
Yes, I went to that new Italian restaurant.
How was it?
It was delicious. You should try it.
I didn't go because I wasn't sure about it.
Trust me, you'll love it.
A movie night.
Did you go to the cinema last weekend?
No, I didn't go. I stayed home instead.
You missed a great movie.
Really? What did you watch?
I went to see the new action film. It was incredible.
I'll catch it on streaming then.